Alright guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this one and only educative channel on YouTube. So I promised you that I'll be teaching you how to create or design your own online business store or shop. So as you can see on your screens, this is a sample of an online store. So please, if this is your first time watching this video on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button for all, like and comment on this channel as you wait for more important educative videos on my channel. Alright, so this is what we are going to learn in our upcoming lesson. So let's have a look at it. So you can upload your goods and services here, set price for them so that customers can come and buy. So I have my courses here, e-commerce, website development here. I have the graphics design course here, which is 25 cedis. Let's go to all items. I have all items here: the e-commerce, website development, the graphics design, the oil painting. I have a lot of things here. So now let's assume I want to purchase the e-commerce store development class. So let me click on the image there. When you click on that, then the payment menu will pop up for you to do whatever you want to do. So immediately you click on that, then the payment menu will pop up. So this cost is 28 cedis. So if I want to purchase this cost, if I want to buy this cost, I'll just click on add more details. Add more details. Then another menu will pop up again. The pay stack menu will pop up again for me to make my payment. So please, if you want to learn all this, if you want to learn everything about how to set up an online store, then the only thing you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button for all, and wait patiently for the videos to be uploaded onto this wonderful educative channel. Don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to reveal to you every secret about how to set up an online store or online business store without paying. Alright, now as I said earlier, I want to pay for the e-commerce store development, the e-commerce masterclass. So this is the payment menu for me. So I have to enter my first name, last name, email address, phone number. Then I will enter the amount here, amount that I want to pay for the e-commerce store development. I will show you how to do all this. I will not hide anything from you. I will show you how to set the payment gateway, how your customers can pay you even if you are asleep, how your system will redirect them to you on WhatsApp. I will show you everything. So the only thing you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button for all, and wait patiently for the lesson to begin. So let me enter my name, my first name. So let's go. So immediately I click on that one, I have everything in the system already. So those are my details. So now I want to enter the amount that I want to send. So let me select this one here. You can type whatever you want to send. So let me click on pay now. Pay now. So let's give this system a try. Let's look at how the system is going to behave. So let's wait patiently for it. Now, one type payment method. So you are paying to Jufos Global IT Training. So you select your payment method. It's either you pay with card or you pay with mobile money. So let me select mobile money. Now, this is a test transmission system. So let me select confirm. If you want to pay using the MTN, let's click on the drop down here to see. So you can use MTN to pay, you can use Vodafone to pay, you can use Ethel to go to pay for goods and services on this portal or in this shop. So let me click on confirm. Click on confirm and let's continue. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button as you wait for the lesson to begin. I'll not hide anything from you. I will show you everything one after the other. So let's see what is going to happen next. Alright, so payment successful. Your payment was successful. So thank you for your trust in Jufos IT services. So after sending the money, then a success message will come. I'll show you how to do all that. Then an email will be sent to you. So let me go into my email and see what is there. So let's see what is going to appear there. So receipt from Jufos Global IT Services. As I said earlier, this is a test transaction. So Jufos Global IT Services received your payment of 0.01 Ghana cedi. So that is how the system will operate. The date is here, 4th September. So if somebody send money to you, you receive an alert through your email even before the money will get into your account. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button for all, and wait for this wonderful and educative e-commerce shop or online shop development training to begin. Thank you very much. Let's meet in class. Bye bye.